is VPN? Virtual Private Network. Virtual Private Network. Okay. So I will tell first story. One story it is there. I didn't written remaining things. So somewhere I will put this VPN kind of stuff. No VPNs are there. What is VPN? Virtual Private Network. Okay. So before VPN, how it is? It's like not before times of VPN. I'm telling. So if you not VPN kind of stuff, how companies will work? First thing is, for example, I have a server. For example, this is my database server. Maybe this is my web application server. Like I have a infrastructure. So what is the meaning of infrastructure in organization, guys? Servers, routers, switches, cables, firewalls. These are all our infrastructure only. Think like this. This is my main office. For example, it is a Savantis main office. There is a database server. I'm a database admin. Or I manage this database kind of stuff. Both are in a same place. Server is there, user is there. They are having a network connectivity. Through network, can I access this database server? Okay, I'm here in a Hyderabad office. I'm sitting in the server room. There is a server. I'm the administrator, so I can access right directly. No need of any special internet kind of stuff. No need of special connectivity. Through the regular LAN connectivity, I can do it. Right? Very good. Very good. So listen actively, guys. Active listening is very important. Next one is here. This is my branch office. This is my branch office. For example, this is my Hyderabad office. We don't have branch in Bangalore, but just imagination. Okay. This is Bangalore main office. It is a New Jersey office. Actually, geographically separated, completely separated things like in New Jersey, Exton, PA, like that we had to write. So I'm limiting to India only. For example, this is a Bangalore office. This is another administrator who want to access this database server or maybe this web server. For example, is managing this web server, but location is different location. You want to upload a web related files to this web server, or I have a server, both are synchronizing each other. Means what are the data in this web server, same data we store in the another server. Okay, like that, different reasons. Either user want to access this server directly, or maybe want to synchronize this server to this server, or maybe I have a server, some kind of application server, want to access this database server. Okay, want to access this is the application server, or some application want to access this database server. Both are not in the same location. Okay, what these people will do, they will make a dedicated connection called a leased line. So they will take a leased line. We are having a broadband connection, Jio broadband, Airtel broadband, ACT broadband, BSNL broadband connections are there. It is a public network. Of course, leisure line is also a public network. Difference is there. For example, broadbands are like a highway roads. In the morning you woke up, 6 o'clock, no traffic. So you can go for 100 speed also, no problem. Okay, not 100 speed. No need to touch a brake multiple times. Happily can go, right? For example, you have to reach somewhere. It is a 10 kilometers only. Just 10 kilometers. Imagination. On road you are going. By 10 minutes you will reach. Maximum 15 minutes. If you are like a new rider, for it will take 15 minutes, right? 10-15 minutes for 10 kilometers. Okay. 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 20 minutes to reach the destination. 10 kilometers only, but reach the destination 20 minutes. 8 o'clock, 25 minutes. Good now. 9 o'clock, 40 minutes. 10 o'clock, forget about it. Okay. Because traffic increases, data transmission becomes slower. Okay, that's why nighttime very fast internet and daytime it is slower internet. That is reversed nowadays because of daytime people are busy, so less internet utilization in the resident area. Nighttime everybody came back and start open their mobile phones. Midnight all guys will use entire midnight. Morning will wake up. Not no. So we sleep in morning, wake up at before class. Yeah, hello. Yeah, tell me, tell me. Sorry. Not disturbance call, but it is good. Or interview related. Okay, guys, that is a broadband. Traffic increases, data transmission becomes slower. You've taken a 50 Mbps internet speed. If you see, it's not 50 Mbps, it is up to 50 Mbps. Okay, 50 Mbps.
Sir,
Yeah,
sir,
tell
could
me.
you please explain this again? Because I actually couldn't follow. Means after this person can access from his own location, and then another person from Bangalore location, how he can access from their.
I didn't understand anything. Okay, can I explain it again?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's enough. That is good. Okay. Yeah. See, guys, it is if your infrastructure is in your location, will access directly. Okay. For example, your infrastructure in your office, should access from another branch office. Okay, so how to access? Through network only. Of course, there is no choices, right? But if you use broadband, like our home network, if you use broadband, it is up to internet. Very good. It is up to type, up to 50 Mbps, up to 100 Mbps. The network bandwidth will varies according to the load on the traffic. Load on the traffic. So that is 50 Mbps connection. Okay, that is a broadband, but that is not good for companies, right? Organizations do not allow that kind of type, and it is a not secure line. Public internet is not at all secure line. All packets will be visible to everyone. What they will do it anyway. This is a main corporate office. This is a another branch office. It is. They put a leased line. Leased lines will be formed from ISP service, internet service provider only will create a leased line, but additional cost. Leased lines are a additional cost. Broadbands are very less cost. Leased lines are very cost because of entire line should leave it for a to leave it like in this line no one is allowed, no other people are allowed, only this organization to that organization, only between these two only we are having a connection. Physically we cannot connect it, but logically they created one leased line from ISP. So for that one you have to pay a lot of amount. Okay, that is there. Leasure line. There is a leasure line standards also there. So I will try to show you that one. E1, T1, like this. So this is the basic standards, E1, T1 standards, guys. So this is a T1 connection bundled together times division multi. Yeah, waste it is. Okay, T1 is 1.5 Mbps speed. E1 is 2. So it is not given in E1 speed. E1 speed is 2.04 Mbps speed. It is not like that, but is E2, E3, E4 is there. Depends upon user requirement. The speeds will be changes. E0, E1, E2, E3 depends upon the requirement, the standards, the numbers, and this one will be changes. Okay, they will combine also. For example, I want 10 Mbps, E1 plus E2, it is around 10 Mbps. Okay, these are the leisure lines. I will type here. Leisure line. Okay, you can go to any regular, some ISP provider, not every ISP provider, provide a service. Plan starting is 12,000 rupees per month. Dedicated internet. So you can see this plan starting with a 12,000 rupees per month. Okay, can you able to spare for your home? Difficult, right? So the leased line is a reserved circuit, between two communication points that is always active, rented for a monthly fee. Leased lines are dedicated, meaning that any bandwidth association with leased lines solely for a private organizational use only. No other people can use your leased line. No other people can use, like a public people cannot use your leased line. Leased line for your organization only. Okay, solely for your organization, not for anyone. Of course, there is a standards like E1, E2, E3 kind of stuff is also there, which is taken care by different ISP providers. Okay, I'm here in Hyderabad, in New Jersey, branch of main corporate office is there. So both will transmit the data through laser lines only. Okay, understand guys? Point number one in laser lines.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So this user want to access this server, so he can access through this leisure lines directly. Sorry, he will access through these leisure lines, like how you access to your server in the as a local machine. You can access this server as a local machine only. Okay. Not only that, if you have a certain servers required synchronization, means this server data, this data should be synchronized here. Means if I upload some files here, that will be replicated here. If I upload some files here, that will be updated here also. That is also will possible with this. Okay, this is the main of leisure lines, and no others allowed in this line. It is solely private for an organization. Okay, this is leisure line. But point is, cost is there, right? Second point, I have a small office, for example, Pune. Pune is a very small office, not big infrastructure, no dedicated line kind of stuff, not much. But I have a user who who has to access the infrastructure in our corporate office. If the user is there, if the admin is there, or user is there, you want to access the infrastructure in our corporate office from Pune branch. Or nowadays people are doing work from home. Work from home candidates also there. These work from home candidates want to access our infrastructure, right? There is a work. I'm working from home. Currently, I came to office, but if I am in home, for example, I have to access the remote server. Okay, so we are in the public internet. I'm in the public internet. Public internet is not safe. Internet is public. Its meaning is it is not a safe point. If I'm trying to connect, if I'm trying to connect from Pune office to the server over the internet, so these packets are exposed to everyone. Okay, that is very dangerous, right? So what we are doing here, I use a VPN server. In my organization, what they will start using a VPN server. One side of VPN server is connected to regular internet connectivity. Okay, one side of VPN, regular internet connection using public IP address. Another side of VPN is connected to our infrastructure. Okay, so it is very easy to get a broadband connection, right? Instead of leisure line, I can use a broadband connection for internet. Okay, now, but I have to connect to this infrastructure from my branch office, right? Through public network only. But what we will do it here, we will connect it through VPN connectivity. VPN. How it will transfer to internet to VPN server we will reach first. The user having a username, password, VPN username, password, tunnel protocols, encryption methods. You have to give all the VPN setting here. That information go to your VPN server. VPN server user authentication, password authentication, what tunneling protocol, entire thing is suitable. Then everything is so. Then VPN server will give a connectivity to our client. Means this is a client side. VPN server will give as a client. Okay. So what is this connectivity? We are send a connection request to the VPN server. VPN server will make a connectivity. Okay. Now what is this? This is a private, virtual private network connection it will form over the public internet. Over the public internet. It is use a tunnel. Okay, it create a tunnel over your connectivity. So no other outsider cannot come into this your tunnel. So you will transfer the data through this tunnel. It's a private tunnel, virtual private tunnel. It's a virtual tunnel. It's a virtual link. It is. You can happily send and receive a data. No other can able to go inside because of it is fully encrypted line. Okay, it is like a you have a public network, and on the public network you have a private line, but not a dedicated private line. It is a virtual private line. It is a virtual private line. So in your way, you are traveling through internet only. You are traveling, you are connecting through internet only, but no one knows what is the data you are transmitting. Okay, two reasons. One is tunneling protocols, encryption method. Okay, guys, understand what I am trying to say, VPN.
Sir, I had a question. So, details we had also right from Pune. Then, through this connection, what all details he needs to mention, such that this virtual
Okay, I didn't get it, but I will tell again. So here it is. This is the user connecting VPN. So his packet is traveling through this virtual tunnel, and it is reach that server which one he want to access. Okay. No one knows what is the data is transmitting from this infrastructure machine servers to this user. It is the same way. It is the same way. User is accessing through public network through VPN. We can able to access this one infrastructure through public only. Okay. So I will give you a small example. Already I told HTTP, HTTPS kind of stuff. Okay. So what are the data you're transmitting? That is encrypted, and they transmit through a virtual tunnels. Okay. There tunnels are there. I'll give you VPN tunnels. I have actually very nice VPN. This is also, guys, lot of definition, lot of information is there, but problem is which one is correct, which one is better. That is always small problem. So yeah, it establish secure encrypted connection between your computer and internet, providing private tunnel for your data and communication while you are use public network. Okay. There is a type of VPNs also there. But I am searching for one more thing, that is VPN tunnels. That is I know, but I want to copy paste. Okay, there's two types he said, but I will try all VPN tunnels. Tunnels protocol, guys. PP, TP, point-to-point tunneling protocol. S2, no. SSTP, secure socket tunneling protocol. L2TP, layer 2 tunneling protocol. IKE, IPsec kind of stuff also they are using, but IPsec only for securing kind of stuff. IPsec you have to separate, IKE or IPsec kind of stuff. Okay, different tunneling protocols and encryption methods to encrypt it. MS-CHA version 2. Okay, encryption methods, AEC, SHA algorithms used for encrypting your algorithms. IPsec, SSTP, PPTP, L2TP, point-to-point tunneling protocol, layer 2 tunneling protocol, and IPsec. These are the main tunneling protocols. So it is, of course, end-to-end encryption to provide with you online privacy secure. It routes your data through encrypted tunnel. Nobody can see what is doing. Internet expose their identity. Even if hacker interrupt traffic, they won't contain. Yeah, I will tell a few more things about that one. A hacker kind of stuff, guys. VPN use an encryption that the data transmission, so no one knows what is the data is transmitting through VPN. Even if you are a hacker unable to find what is the data inside, what is the content inside. So that is why VPN is safe and cheaper than the leased lines. VPN is safe and cheaper than leased lines. Okay, it is safe and cheaper than the leased lines. Okay, user connect to his remote, connected to remote infrastructure like connecting in local network, connecting through local network, in local network, not required through and all. Okay, it is the same way user can able to connect to this infrastructure. How directly how it is connected from here to here. Only thing is first VPN connecting establishment is required. Okay, he has to connect through VPN first. Once VPN is connection is happened, then user open an application or remote access, just like how he is accessing his local infrastructure. Because that kind of IP address delivery is also there. Like what IP address here we are using, same IP address will be there. Morning, someone is asking me, that is, sir, VPN means instead of connecting through internet, we connected to VPN. No, 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 no. Without internet, you cannot connect it through VPN. As generally I'm telling, okay? Without internet, you cannot connect it to VPN because of you are saying remote servers. Means if somewhere it is located, so we can access through internet, but internet is more exposed because it's a public network. Through VPN, if VPN provide end-to-end encryption, so it encrypt your data, it passes to the tunnel. So then it is a private network. It is like a private network over the public internet. So your data is not exposed to anybody, your identity, anything is not exposed to anybody. So leased lines are dedicated lines. Leased lines are dedicated lines. So more private type it is, not require any encryption. But cost, we cannot connect all type of cannot connect every time, everywhere. Cannot use everywhere. It meaning is branch offices, small branch offices mainly, work from home, okay, home users, work from home user kind of stuff, work from home users cannot use. That's why we choose laser lines. But guys, laser lines important, VPN is also important. You have a main two branches are there, four branches are there, main branches, main corporate offices, that kind of stuff. Laser lines compulsory. Why laser lines? Laser lines, why laser lines? Laser lines, even it is a costly, but not over internet. It is not a public access. Okay, it is a dedicated lines. Laser lines. Advantage of laser line is always same bandwidth. No, width. Always same bandwidth. Always connectivity. Always connectivity. Always same bandwidth. Today morning I am getting a 50 Mbps. At 10 o'clock it is 40 Mbps speed experience. Okay. So why? Because of more connections are increases, less bandwidth access is there in the internet. But laser line, it is not like that. If you got 10 Mbps, 10 Mbps, 100% 10 Mbps, not up to 10 Mbps. Okay. Your broadband is up to 50 Mbps. Laser lines, 10 Mbps means 10 Mbps only. Not less, not more. Okay, that is the thing. That's why laser lines are important. But where we cannot able to use, where we cannot able to use laser line connection here, VPN works. I have very good internet connectivity. VPN works happily. And I'm in some remote place. I am now here in office. After some time, I will go to my home. After that one, maybe in the weekend, I will go to my hometown. Maybe month end, I will go to my hometown. Okay. I have to go to my relative's house. I have to stay for 3 4 days. But I have to work, right. In IT company, it's just very simple. Everything is good at IT company. Only one thing is, if you are about to die also, last minute you have to complete your work and then you will die. Okay, that's the safest. Okay, people don't worry about other things. Point is, this is the point of your VPN. Okay, so once you are established a connectivity with the VPN, you can access your remote infrastructure, servers, remote desktops, database servers, like how you access from a local network, you can access from your desktop. But it is over the internet. End-to-end encryption is there. It uses certain tunneling protocols and encryption methods to encrypt this thing. It is we are our practice are traveling over the internet but not exposed to anyone. It is completely encrypted. Okay, so that's the main points in the your VPN. But last one, type of VPNs. Uh, Remote access VPN, site to site VPN. No, that is not a type of VPN. So these are the type of VPNs. Not this one, guys. Remote access VPN, personal VPN, mobile VPN, and site to site VPN. Why I'm cutting like this, guys? This is about VPN, and this is about legal lines. I don't want to mix them side by side because I know you feel legal line means little board topic. Okay, people don't like it, but I'm telling what is legal line. Without knowing a legal line, what is the use of VPN, we don't understand. Guys, I explained this Pune to Hyderabad. What is this? It's a site to site VPN. One location to another location connection. Hyderabad to Bangalore. Now I don't want to go with the legal lines. I want to go with the VPN. Hyderabad to Pune. Hyderabad site to Pune site. Site to site VPN. Site to site VPN. Remote access VPN. Remote access VPN. You are working from home. Work from home. Work from home. If you say working from home, that is something you told some vulgarity word only. The people are reacting. I don't know that much English mistake. I don't know. Work from home or working from home or homework. I don't understand, but we'll see how much big English people other people will speak. Okay, yeah, you are work from home candidate and you use a regular broadband connection from your laptop. You are having a VPN client application, Cisco VPN things are there, no? VPN application. Using that application, you are connected to VPN server. This is a remote access VPN. That is remote access. Okay. Mobile VPNs and personal VPNs. Guys, this is another chapter it is. I will take another paintbrush. Guys, as a world map, different countries, different places. You take a world map. We have a India here. Okay, so we have a India here. It is okay, and there's something like America countries are there. You want to access a website which is can able to access in the certain geographical places only. not in the every place, not from India. From India, you want to access this website, you cannot access. For example, you have a torrent sites, okay? You have a torrent kind of sites, or when I try Amazon Prime, my one of my favorite series is Criminal Minds in Amazon Prime. Up to 12 seasons, I watched completely, and I'm waiting for another season. 12 season, 14 season, I didn't remember. I'm waiting for a new season. Meantime, Amazon Prime removed that entire 12 seasons. Instead of adding new one, they removed the existing one also. So what happened? I searched it and finally find in US Amazon Prime PrimeVideo.com having a Criminal Minds. Amazon Video that the Prime Video dot in India website do not have it. So American website we cannot able to access here. So what I will do? I will try to connect the VPN server who is in this America. First of all, I will establish a connection to this VPN. From this VPN to another server. Okay. Nowadays, people are using mobile VPNs, so they can connect from their mobile to the remote machines, remote access kind of stuff. There are used. Guys, if you are using these kind of VPNs, I said now, there it comes with the suggestions. Important is do not, where it is very dangerous sometimes. So it is Photon VPN, NordVPN, Hola, Hotspot Shield, Express VPN. But who knows this authentication? Who is this NordVPN? Which organization is this one? Do you know any? You know, these kind of VPNs used by hackers. The real hackers, what they will do, they'll join in the hacker community. They put a lot of VPNs in the all over the world. If they want to connect and attack someone, they'll connect it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, again 16, 17, 18, 19, again see it. So the packet is traveling from one place to another place without following any sequence order. So what happened? There is no traceback. Okay, for example, I attack some remote server. Okay, google.com or facebook.com attacked. They will trace back you, right? You send a packet, so they will they will catch your packet and they will trace back. They use this VPN kind of stuff, guys. My point is, please check the authenticity of any VPN you are using. I hear not one is good. Even paid is also okay, but not always. Okay, this much amount you have to pay means you don't feel that much good, right? Free VPNs always risky. This is Kaspersky. We know that is a standard product. If you are getting VPN from these organizations or any suggestions, please do that. Okay, this is what I'm trying to say about VPN, type of VPN, what I said, type of VPNs, what is VPN, different tunnel protocols used in a VPN, okay, and how VPN is safe, what is the use of VPN, type of VPNs, legal lines, also I told. Okay, yeah, morning we discussed about Outlook. Anything, any queries? Very good, only 4 members. Guys, these two are a compulsory questions. In generally, if they ask more technical way, definitely they ask what is VPN, what is Outlook, both are important question. What is what? Minimum know it. Okay. Protocols. Other